tutorials. I want to do a very quick tip that actually I did not find it on my own. I actually found out about it from I saw it on YouTube from Mac Tutorials 101. I know a lot about this editing stuff. I commented down here, and so he gets all this credit. Go to any website. So I'm going to go to apple.com. And, oops, I had the thing right there. Whatever. And you're going to paste the code that's in the, that's going to be in the description. It's JavaScript document. So JavaScript is JavaScript. Document body is the whole website page. Content editable equals true. And then document design mode on. And press OK. And your website will be editable. So you could edit anything on the page. You could write all over this thing. And you can delete pictures. You can drag pictures all different random places. You could drag things out of their spot, mess up websites, play around with them, take things out and write random things. Take a website and just stick something in there. And then you could write the worst MacBook in the world. You could write